Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the HP Elite Dragonfly G2 and what's inside of it. Getting inside of this notebook is fairly easy. You just need to undo all 5 Torx head screws, and then pry the bottom panel, starting from the back. Then, just lift it away from the chassis. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. As you can see, the battery takes most of the space inside this device and has a capacity of 56 watt-hours. Expectedly, the memory here is soldered to the motherboard. On the bright side, HP offers configurations with up to 32 GB of dual-channel memory. Storage-wise, there is one M.2 PCIe X4 slot. In terms of cooling, you get 2 thin heat pipes, a small heatsink, and a tiny fan, which is surprisingly able to push a ton of air. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.